how to cook. Oysters Rockefeller. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons butter, 1 garlic cloves, minced, 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, 1 shallots, chopped, 1 cup chopped fresh spinach, 1 fluid ounce Pernod or dry white wine, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoons olive oil, 25 grams, 1/4 cup, grated gruyere cheese, 1 tablespoon chopped parsley, 1 dozen oysters, on the half shell, rock salt, lemon wedges and hot sauce, for garnish. Directions: melt butter in a skillet over low heat. Infuse the butter with garlic by letting the garlic sauté in the butter for about 1 minute, remove from heat. Don't let the garlic brown and burn, his will make the garlic bitter. Place the breadcrumbs in a bowl and mix in half of the garlic butter, olive oil, gruyere, parsley and season with salt and pepper, set aside. Add shallots and spinach to the remaining garlic butter. Cook until the spinach wilts and the shallots get translucent. Deglaze the pan with Pernod. Let the mixture cook down for a few minutes, then season with salt and pepper. Remove from heat, and let sit to cool. Preheat the oven to 450 F, 230 C. Sprinkle a baking pan with a good amount of salt. Arrange the shucked oysters in the salt to steady them. Spoon a heaping teaspoon of the spinach mixture on each oyster, followed by a spoonful of the breadcrumb mixture. Bake oysters for about 10-15 minutes until golden. Serve with lemon wedges and hot sauce. Grill oyster on the barbecue at about 450 F for 10-15 minutes.